A man once decided to change his life. He was tired of being average, tired of starting and quitting. So one day, he made a promise. No more excuses, no more delays. This time, I change. Day 1 felt powerful. Day 2 felt uncomfortable. But then, something happened. Nothing changed. His life looked the same. No results, no success, just effort, with no reward. And that's where most people stop because they expect fast results. They want instant change. But real growth is invisible. At first, the man almost quit. Almost. But then he realized something. Maybe the results aren't late, maybe he's just early. So he kept going, even without results, even without motivation, even without proof, day after day, step by step, until one day, everything changed. Not because it was easy, but because he didn't stop. And that's the difference between people who dream and people who win. So if nothing is changing, don't quit. You might just be early. Keep going. Your moment is coming.